Here's a program that shows a new procedure called bronchial thermoplasty that offers asthma sufferers a chance to reduce the amount of medication they take. It works by heating airways at 65 degrees Celsius to reduce the amount of muscles around the airways. On this image, we can see the probe going inside the airways of the lung, and yellow as we use our finger to go down the airways, it heats up and it shows in yellow. We can see here that the surgeon is going down the airways to heat up as much as the muscle as he can. The idea for this program came from Al Jazeera station, the Cure program attacking asthma. Here's our work table to create this program. We have the information, we have the lady who's going to do the background. This white block is going to create the airways, and this one is going to create the surgical instrument. When the program starts, our character is going to draw the background, so we're going to make her invisible, and the background consists of two lines, a blue line and a black line. So the first line is going to be one dot for the entire surface of the iPad, and then we're going to position at 0,500 to draw at an angle of 20 to draw the second line of a width of 500 units, and we go from 0,500 to the next position, which is x equals the iPad width and 900. The iPad width is a variable created by Hopscotch. For the title, when the play button is tapped, we're going to put it at the bottom right corner of the iPad, and we're going to change the size of the letters by reducing them by 50%. With this block, we are going to draw, when the program is started, the airway. We're going to draw the outside of the airways using a pink color. So we're going to start by making our block invisible. We're going to start on x equal 400, height equal the height of the iPad, which is at the top. And then we're going to draw for 200 units. We're going to change the angle, change the width of the trail from 70 to 100, and we draw towards the next position, which is at 0,400. We're going to draw another pink line from position 0,100 to the next position, x equals the width of the iPad and y 500. And the width is going to be about, of the pink line will be 160. Following that, we are going to draw the airways. So we start at 0 to 50. The airway is going to be orange, or the width 125. And we're going to draw the airways from going from point to point to point to point. So we start from 300, 300, then we go to 150, 0, we go back to 300, 200, and then we go all the way to the far right at the width of the iPad and 600. In order to draw the catheter, when the program is stopped, we're going to create the ability catheter. We're going to wait 1 second just to make sure that the background is properly drawn before starting. And we're going to set the position initially of the probe, and we are going to see the angle by which the probe is going to enter, and then we're going to draw the probe from 700 to 700, 460, using the black color. When the iPad is tapped, our probe is going to be heated. It will be showing with the yellow color. So we are going to draw. This ability allows us to draw on the iPad following the movement of my finger. So in the ability Airways, we repeat forever, draw a color following the movement of my finger. So when I touch the iPad, it's going to draw where my finger is touching, and that is captured by the variables programmed by Hopscotch latch touch X and latch touch Y. So it's going to draw forever wherever I put my finger. So we can see here that the surgeon entered the probe, and with my finger I was able to draw the yellow line and go back and go down the airways in order to heat. So the yellow is heating the muscles of the airways. And that's my program.